Okay, good afternoon. Look who's back, Big Bertha. So she's a 9.9 Mercury. This was in a previous video, and I bought this off sort of eBay come Facebook. I contacted the person, and I don't know if you remember this. I'll put a link to the original video where he said it was all working perfect, and when I got it, we couldn't even get the thing running. We had to strip the whole carb, and what was in it was either it's sunk or I don't know. There was even a piece of wood inside the carb. So it's took 12 weeks, possibly more, to come back from our local marine centre, and we did eventually get it going, but very poorly. But she is a minter inside. Absolutely beaut. Not a speck of anything, rust or corrosion. He's come back, he said it's a really good nick, it's hardly done any work, which is great. And what he did do was do a total carb strip down and a sonic bath, and then he's rejetted it, carb kit or whatever they did, and it took 12 weeks to get one single gasket, which didn't come with the kit. I don't know what he did say what it was, I can't remember, something to do with the needle or something inside which the gasket fits around, and it had corroded, I don't know, or split or something. But yeah, not fired this up yet, so this might be the first time. Just got out the van, put it on the new stand I built. I'll put a link in the description for that as well. So without further ado, I might just go and get the old tripod, stick you on it, and then see what she runs like. There's like a special choke on these in there, don't there? It must be a heat choke. Anyway, ooh. So I'm going to put the casing on first before I do anything. When you get the jitterbugs. What does that sound like? Absolutely beautiful. Let's have a look round. I'm in 2 minds whether to sell it, because it weighs a ton. It's like nearly 60 kilos. Beautiful, very quiet it is. It's calming down now. 120 quid it was from the marina. I was really chuffed with that. I was expecting a lot more. He said to me what he was going to do. It's got a new impeller, which I knew did know that. I had the receipt for that when I bought it. But yeah, someone been fiddling with the car and trying to make cash of it. So they have done an absolutely superb job. Listen to this. I think I might buy another boat now, put this on it. Sound as a pound. And I swear I did not start this. This is the first time I started it when you saw me start it. To show my lad this. Kick back. Well, we got it going perfect. So in theory, that's the end of the saga. I paid £900 for the engine, plus £120 for the tune-up and the carb tank, which I'm not going to complain about. Them sweet and that sounds beautiful. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up. Like and subscribe over here. Next one of videos over there. And yeah, thanks so much for watching. If you did, take care. Oh, new plugs as well, yeah. The only thing I did mention to him that it was missing the tag. Down there, see that? But he says they come off anyway because they're only glued on, so he wasn't bothered. I did say give it a check out for me. There we go. Alright, take care. Catch you next video. Got to be careful, I'm hitting the bucket. Quick reverse. That'll do. Bye.